Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own game in Roblox because most people play Roblox, but have you ever wondered how to make your own game? So today I'm going to explain that. Roblox Studio is the platform to create games, so I'm going to show you how to download it and the key elements of it. So let's get started. So if you open a new tab in Google and type in Roblox Studio, you click on the first one which says Roblox Creator Hub, and then click it and then press Start Creating. I already have Roblox Studio, so I won't download it. And when you download it, you're going to have to, if you already have Roblox, you need to write your username, password, and then just log in. If you don't, you need to name your date of birth, think of a username and think of a password, and if you're a boy or a girl. So I've got Roblox Studio. This is how it looks. And first off, we're going to have to open Roblox Studio and press New. And you can choose between base plate or classic base plate. I'm gonna choose base plate, normal base plate. And in here, I'm gonna show you all the things you can do. So you have the home, a model, avatar, test, view, and plugins. Today the most important ones are home and view. So in home, you can add parts. So I'm clicking parts, and then a block will pop up. But you have to make it bigger and rotate it to build something. So this is what these 4 elements are. Select, you can just select things and move them around, but doesn't work that well. Move is the better one of moving around. Scale can make the current block bigger. Or rotate, you can rotate the current block. So the most important part also is the workspace. The workspace has everything you have on your world. So if we add some more parts will pop up. So if you just press workspace here, then you don't need to worry about camera or terrain. You just need to worry about spawn location, the place where you spawn in the first type. Base plate is the whole map. If you delete it, well, you're gonna have to, if you do something accidentally, just press Control and Z. That's gonna reset it. And part, and if you spawn that part, it's gonna be in here. So if you try to have lots of parts and try to find the current, want to add a script, which we do in more video, in another video, we're going to use that. But I think most of people, you would have, you would have Explorer open. But if you don't, because I just closed properties. So if you want to find properties, go in view, and far left you've got properties, so click that. I usually like when properties is there, and you can switch from properties to Explorer. And Explorer is all everything you have on there, and properties is the thing which you can change the color of, the material of, and I'll show you how to change the color first. So first, to change the color, you need to click on the current block you want. So let me just make this a bit bigger. And here, you're gonna have to look in appearance. That's how the block looks like. So if you press on the brick color, you can choose what color. In this instance, I'm gonna choose this like light red, and you can choose the material. It can be marble, it can be limestone. If you don't know how they look like, just go on home and press material manager, and you can look at all the different things that look, all the different how it looks like. So if you want to, for example, make a pavement, you're gonna have to want to see from what material you want it. If you want it from pebble or from an actual pavement. And then if you want to use it, click that button, or just if you want pebble, then just press pebble and it's going to apply instantly. And so you can just look at how the different things looks like, and also just so you can easily look at it, I would recommend making it a bit bigger. So I'm gonna have to rotate it because if you see, it's not equal. So if I just rotate it like that, I think, and now I move it, it's gonna work. And by the way, if you want to know shortcuts, hold control and 1, that will put it in select. Control and 2 will put it in move. Control and 3 in scale, and control and 4 in rotate. And control and 5 makes it in everything. So you can use this and you can easily see how you can do it. I don't recommend using this one because I don't really like it. So if you want to turn it off, control 5. I don't really like it, so I just use these basic ones. And that's how you can do the first little block. And if you look here, it will say in data, it's gonna say on the first, second, third, fourth down, you can name it, and I'll name it floor. So now, wait, not from capital, floor. So now if you go in here, that will be called floor. And the Explorer, now instead of part, it says floor. So if you name certain things, then you can have it. So that was a nice first video. So see you guys in the next video. And if you don't want to miss out on more of my little hacks from this, subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.